Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your bike. This is my BMX Freestyle green bike. It is so cool. It's got beaten up because I crashed it a few times. As you can see right here, it is very dirty, this middle section. And in fact, the handlebars and the rims are very dirty. So the equipment you'll need for this video is soap. Do not want to use this soap because it has glitter in it. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so after further review, I have picked out the right soap. It can be hand soap, dish soap, whatever kind of soap you'd like it to be, without the stuff that has that many type of particles in it. I don't necessarily think it's glitter, but this right here, this is hand soap. Now look at, if you could see, this has no little minerals in it. So, soap is number one product you will need for this project. Number two, sponge or some type of cloth. You will need this sponge, and don't forget, you'll need another thing that I'll mention later on. Alrighty guys, so next thing you'll need is this. This is what I was talking about. You'll need some sort of rag. Last of all, you will need a clean bucket of water. Now, if your bucket of water is very dirty and it looks like this, that is not good. What you want to do is dump it out, then refill it again. So I will get back to you once I refill the bucket. Alright guys, so once you refill your bucket with nice clean water, if it isn't clean the first time, your water should look like this. Now, if your water doesn't look like that, you would want to refill it again. And you want the water warmish hot, so half warm and half cold. I mean warmish cold instead of. Alright, so let's get started. Alrighty, guys. So now once you have this right here, your bike that you are washing, you will want to get this, your sponge. Now you'll want a hard face and a soft face. What you want to be using is a soft face because you're not drying, you're washing. So what you want to do guys now is take your bucket, now just dip the side, the soft side. If you have a hard and soft side sponge that you're using, just you can dip both sides just for more, like water. So I'm going to start with the handle. And what you want to do, you just want to clean it on over. Alright guys, I see the plastic right here that I didn't take off. I think that is supposed to come off. Now if something does not come off, all you gotta do is use the hard face. Scrub with the hard face. After a while, it should come off just like that. So my handlebars in the top part of my bike so far look pretty shiny. You hear that? That means it is very clean. Look how sparkly that is. So once you're done, you don't want to drain the stuff back in the bucket. You want to dip it again. Now I'm doing the frame. Don't worry if the chain or anything gets wet, because we will be drying it after. You can even do your seat if you would like. It's dirty. I got it in. Dip it in again. Oh man, yeah, this is really dirty. You can wash your pegs. My chain is very loose. Then I am going to wash my brakes, because that's probably what the squeaking noise is. I have on my brakes. Squeeze it. If you can't get to your brake, what is this? Stuff with it. Then once that's done, squeeze it, and dip it right back in the water. Now what I am doing is the bottom part of the frame. I'm just going to go over here. Look at that piece of tape right on the front of it. And not down the water. And peel right up. Or not. I will. Now on to the other side. And I will give you the whole tour of the bike, what it looks like when I am finished with the whole thing. Even clean your chains. It's a good difference. Turn your chain. Look at that. Look how much stuff was on my chain. Feel that? It's nasty. Now I'm doing the fork. Front. And you're probably thinking, wait, you forgot the soap. No, that is not done yet. We're not done yet, guys. This is just a little inspection of the bike. This is the little run through. Clean the rims. I might have a part 2 to this. Because this bike, but I love my stuff, and this is how I take care of my stuff. Clean, clean, clean my stuff. Look at that rim so far. Look how black it is. The inside. Look at that. And you can get a bit of the other side. And do the tires while you're at it if you want to. Then once you're done with the title and one of the revs, you do the front of your front. Right, the camera's still just in there. Then what you want to do is this is where I'm going to clean my up. Always clean your white, the reflector. Alright guys, so now what you want to do is add some soap. Oh, my battery is running low. I have to do this video quickly. Oh no, it's at 10. It's probably not take long. Your water should look bubbly. You want to do this part quick, but you don't want to what I am because my battery is low, it's at 10%. I want to get this video in for you guys. There it is off now. Now what you want to do once you're done with that, set the sponge down, then dry your hands with a rag for it, and then you can dry your hands. It already looks sparkling clean, but it's going to look more sparkling. Like, look at that already. You don't have to clean it. You don't have to dry it perfectly. You just have to dry it down a little bit. It is going to be sparkling. I tell you what. Sparkling. Oh my god. Alright guys, so once you're done with that, you don't have to do this, but since it's for you guys, I'm going to do a run through for you. Alrighty guys, so I hope this video helped you clean your bike, and I hope you enjoyed the video in general. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down when you